Ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a profitable venture while maintaining your anonymity? The answer lies in starting a print-on-demand business, a strategic way to monetize your online presence and deepen your connection with your audience. First, identify your niche and audience preferences. Your audience is likely connected to your content, themes, or specific subjects you discuss. Analyze which themes are most popular among your viewers and consider how these can be translated into merchandise designs. Next, select your print-on-demand partner. Choose a service that aligns with your quality expectations and product range desires. Popular options include Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble. Ensure the service integrates easily with your chosen sales platform. Then design your merchandise. Create or commission designs that are unique and strongly connected to your channel's content to appeal to your audience. Once you have your designs, set up your online store. Most print-on-demand services offer integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even directly on your YouTube channel. After your store is set up, promote your merchandise. Utilize your YouTube channel to showcase your products or integrate them into your regular content. Analyze and optimize after launching. Monitor which items sell best and gather feedback from your audience. Use this information to refine your product offerings and marketing strategies. Finally, ensure you have a system in place for managing customer service inquiries and feedback. This is crucial for maintaining a positive reputation and encouraging repeat business. To summarize, starting a print-on-demand business involves identifying your niche and audience preferences, selecting a print-on-demand partner, designing your merchandise, setting up your online store, promoting your merchandise, analyzing and optimizing your offerings, and providing excellent customer service. With your experience and by following these steps, you're well equipped to create a successful venture in this space. Remember, the key to success lies in leveraging the unique content, themes, or niches your channel covers to create appealing merchandise that resonates with your audience.